Hi, my name is Deblock, and this is my project for design for manufacturing. It is an elevated bedside table. But how did I get here?
Well, when we were given this project, I found myself with a need for an additional accessible storage area that was close to my bed for organizational purposes. Now, this elevated table was my solution. I used both woodworking and thermoforming to complete it. Well, sort of, but I'll get to that. This is what I initially envisioned and planned for. All of the wood would be made of durable hardwood, and the plastic would be PETG for its strength and optical properties. So with all that settled, I went ahead and ordered from Amazon, gathered supplies from our woodshop in Rogers, and looked locally for quality hardwood. Fortunately, it didn't take very long for me to find the supplies that I needed and secure the bulk of what was necessary to start manufacturing. During my manufacturing process, I made use of many different tools and machines in order to create a quality product. I used the bandsaw for various cuts. I made a dowel jig and precision holes with the drill press. I made many cuts with the miter saw. I used the belt sander to smooth surfaces. And I employed the use of various tools along the way. Once all of the cutting was complete, it was time to start assembling. Now for the bad news. Unfortunately, the thermoforming plastic that I received was much thicker than what I had ordered, and it also wasn't transparent. So unfortunately, this meant that I was unable to complete the thermoforming portion of my project at this time.
But it ended well. It serves its purpose as a bedside table. It's great for organizational purposes. And it sure beats a club.